Changing your password on Stripe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password securely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Stripe website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or password section. Click on it to access the password management options. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements outlined by Stripe. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update Password button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your password on Stripe and enhance the security of your account.